Okay, so I just put up a video that was about 17 minutes long, and I went through a few charts explaining why I thought it was very likely that 31,400 would be an ideal point to put in a short. But apparently, people only read the title and the thumbnail, they don't take the time to actually watch the video. So for you low IQ TikTok generation idiots that don't want to actually watch the video, let's just get it on record. It's in the title, it's in the description. I'm telling everyone to short 31,400. So there's no confusion for you idiots that don't take the time to watch the video. So again, 31,400, that is where you short. If you want to watch the video, which you probably won't, I'll put a link up to it now. If you want to sign up for BitGet, my link's pinned in the first comment and description. You want to get access to Discord and these charts, the link's pinned in the first comment and description. Again, 31,400, the point too short. Want to know why? Go back and watch the damn video. Peace.